Imagine a tool so simple yet so powerful that it could calm your racing thoughts, steady your heart, and help you regain control all within a few breaths. This tool isn't a futuristic gadget, it's something you already possess, your breath. Anxiety is a natural response to stress or perceived danger. While it can sometimes help us stay alert and focused, chronic anxiety can hijack our well-being, affecting our mental and physical health. The good news? Mindful breathing is a scientifically proven method to manage anxiety, rewiring the brain to foster calm and resilience. By focusing on our breath, we can anchor ourselves to the present moment and reframe our responses to stress. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how mindful breathing helps in managing anxiety, its impact on the brain, and practical strategies to incorporate it into your daily life. Before we proceed, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. What anxiety means? Anxiety is a heightened state of worry or fear about potential threats, whether real or imagined. It triggers the fight, flight, or freeze response, a survival mechanism designed to protect us. For people with chronic anxiety, this system becomes overactive, leading to frequent feelings of unease and dread, even in non-threatening situations. Anxiety isn't merely overthinking, it's a physiological reaction that often feels uncontrollable without intentional effort to address it. Symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety symptoms can manifest both mentally and physically. Common symptoms include excessive worry, persistent worry disproportionate to the situation, restlessness, a constant feeling of being on edge, rapid heartbeat, the sensation of your heart racing, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing or feeling suffocated, muscle tension, tightness in the shoulders, neck, or other areas, difficulty concentrating, struggling to focus or make decisions, sleep problems, trouble falling or staying asleep, stomach issues, nausea, upset stomach, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, irritability, feeling easily frustrated or annoyed. Why mindful breathing is important? Mindful breathing serves as a bridge between the mind and body, helping you regain control over automatic reactions to stress. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the rest and digest response, which counteracts the fight or flight mode triggered by anxiety. This simple practice reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and increases oxygen flow to the brain, promoting clarity and calm. Over time, it rewires neural pathways to respond to stress more adaptively. Brain functioning during anxiety. Amygdala, the emotional processing center, becomes hyperactive during anxiety, amplifying fear responses. Brain functioning during anxiety. Prefrontal cortex. Responsible for rational decision-making, it often becomes underactive, making it harder to calm yourself. Brain functioning during anxiety. Hypothalamus pituitary adrenal, HPA, axis. Triggers the release of cortisol, keeping the body in a heightened state of alertness. Mindful breathing helps balance these systems, reducing the amygdala's overactivity and enhancing prefrontal cortex control. How the brain works in anxiety management with breathing. When you engage in mindful breathing, your brain activates the vagus nerve, stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. This slows the heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and reduces stress hormones. Over time, this practice strengthens neural connections in the prefrontal cortex, improving emotional regulation. It also downregulates the amygdala, reducing the intensity of fear responses. Understanding the breath-body connection. Breathing is the bridge between the body and mind. When we are anxious, the body reacts with shallow, rapid breathing, triggering a cascade of physical symptoms such as a racing heart or lightheadedness. By consciously slowing the breath and breathing deeply, you engage the parasympathetic nervous system. This process reduces cortisol levels, decreases heart rate, and stabilizes blood pressure. Research shows that intentional breath control can even lower inflammation in the body, promoting overall health. The science of the 4-7-8 technique. The 4-7-8 technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, is a breathing pattern designed to help calm the mind and body. Inhaling for 4 seconds allows oxygen to fill your lungs fully. Holding the breath for 7 seconds gives the oxygen time to circulate in the bloodstream. Exhaling slowly for 8 seconds removes carbon dioxide, creating a relaxing effect. This method not only reduces anxiety but also helps improve sleep quality. Practicing this for 5 minutes daily rewires the brain to respond more calmly to stress. Box breathing for control. Box breathing is a structured technique used by elite performers, including Navy SEALs, to maintain focus and composure under stress. It involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and pausing for another 4 seconds. This square breathing pattern regulates the autonomic nervous system, preventing it from going into overdrive. It's a perfect tool for those moments when anxiety feels overwhelming, as it brings immediate calm and clarity. Diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, engages the diaphragm instead of shallow chest breathing. This allows the lungs to expand fully and improves oxygen delivery throughout the body. To practice, place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Breathe deeply, ensuring the hand on your abdomen rises while the hand on your chest stays still. Regular diaphragmatic breathing reduces anxiety-related symptoms such as chest tightness and shortness of breath while boosting energy levels. Alternate nostril breathing. Also known as Nadi Shodhana in yoga, alternate nostril breathing involves breathing in through one nostril while closing the other, then alternating sides. This technique balances the two hemispheres of the brain, enhancing emotional regulation and mental clarity. It's particularly effective during moments of heightened stress or decision-making. Studies have shown that alternate nostril breathing reduces heart rate variability and promotes a deep sense of calm. Counting the breath. Counting breaths is a simple yet effective way to anchor yourself in the present moment. Begin by inhaling and counting 1, then exhaling and counting 2, and so on, up to 10. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. This practice reduces mental clutter and promotes mindfulness. Counting the breath can also be combined with visualization, such as imagining each number being written in the air, to deepen focus. Mindful observation of breath. Mindful observation involves simply noticing your breath without altering it. Focus on the natural rhythm of your breathing, how the air feels as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and exits. This practice builds awareness and acceptance, helping you observe your anxiety without judgment. Over time, it fosters emotional resilience, teaching you to remain present even during challenging moments. Pausing with breath. In moments of anxiety, our thoughts race ahead. Pausing between each inhale and exhale creates a brief stillness, allowing you to regain composure. For example, take a deep inhale, pause for 2 seconds, then exhale fully. This simple act of pausing breaks the cycle of reactive thinking and gives you a moment to reset, both mentally and physically. Visualization with breathing. Pair your breathing practice with visualization to enhance its calming effects. For example, imagine inhaling calmness as a soothing blue light and exhaling stress as a dark cloud dissipating into the air. Visualization activates the brain's creative centers and reinforces the message of relaxation, making it a powerful tool for anxiety relief. Breathing with gratitude. Combine breathing exercises with gratitude practice. For each inhale, think of something you are thankful for. For each exhale, release any tension or negativity. This practice not only reduces anxiety but also shifts your perspective, helping you focus on positive aspects of life rather than worries. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and relaxing different muscle groups while focusing on your breath. Start with your toes, inhale as you tense them, and exhale as you release. Move upward through your body. This technique reduces physical tension associated with anxiety and enhances the calming effects of mindful breathing. Breath-anchored affirmations. Pair your breathing with affirmations to create a positive feedback loop. For example, as you inhale, silently say, "I am calm," and as you exhale, say, "I release tension." These affirmations reinforce the physical relaxation achieved through breathing, creating a holistic sense of peace. Walking meditation with breath. Walking meditation combines movement with mindful breathing. Sync your breath with your steps. For example, inhale for 4 steps and exhale for 4 steps. Walking in nature while practicing this technique amplifies its calming effects by connecting you to the soothing rhythms of the natural world. Breath awareness with sounds. Focus on the sound of your breath, tuning into its rhythm as you inhale and exhale. This practice sharpens auditory focus and helps you ground yourself in the present moment. It's particularly useful in noisy or distracting environments where anxiety may be triggered. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'll see you in the next topic. Stay tuned and stay safe.